all I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hi guys, so pala si Vito B. So ayan, isa tayo sa Sawim Palad na hindi nakapasok sa room. So nagtry hanggang sa hindi ko napakinggan ng buo or ng asing kompleto tong listening party kasi parang per song nag-ano sila eh. Meron silang parang explanation kung paano nagawa or kung ano ibig sabihin ng kanta. So wag natin patagalin guys, meron nag-post ng screen recording ng buong. Feeling ko buong ano lang to, yung mga salita lang nila. And ayan guys, without further ado, let's watch, let's go.
Yung pang ano style, yung pang DJ talaga.
Ayan.
Magandang
Nabutan ko yan.
tanghali sa ating mga Cups diyan. Nakatutok ba kayo sa first ever listening party
Parang
ng
DJ talaga
SB19?
yan,
Magingay mga Cups!
May sound effect din naman eh.
Maganda ba ang gising nyo ngayong araw mga Cups?
Lakas mga DJ niya.
Cups for Capsicum!
Doon ako natawa. Napaka kung ano-ano talaga naisip nito ni Istaleno. Caps for Capsicum. Let's go.
Kaysa isa dali.
Kamusta yun ang people's live stream?
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Magandang
Wait lang,
tanghali.
magpakilala muna tayo. Dali, uy, pinuno.
Kumusta po kayo lahat? Nandito po si Pablo.
Hi everyone, ako po si Stel.
Hello po, I'm Justin.
What's up? I'm Josh.
Hello everyone, I'm Ken.
Parang bedroom voice yung kay
We
Josh.
are
SB19!
Yeah.
Grabe
Parang
naman
mga
buhay na
antok
buhay
pa.
naman yung mga energy ng mga tropa natin.
Tanong natin kung nagsikain na ba kayo? Nagtanghalian na ba kayong mga brody?
Kumain na ba kayo? Kumain na ba kayo?
Let's go.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Nag-brunch. Ayan.
Nag-brunch.
Antok pa.
Alas 12 na?
Baka yung mga nasa yan,
Kasi daw
nasa ibang
ilibre ko daw siya.
Ay, oo.
Yeah.
Ay, guys, di ba naalala nyo,
Oo.
may ginawa
Napanood ko nga
kami,
yan.
bumunot kami ng mga, yung bumunot kami ng, tawag, ano din?
Photocards.
Photocard, di ba
Yan,
nabunot ko si
PC.
Pablo na hulaan ko, sabi ko ngayon niya ako ilibre. Yes.
Si Ken.
Pag
nililibre
nahulaan
din
kasi
si
yan.
Josh.
Pero anyways, usapang libre tayo mga Caps, di ba? Usapang libre. Ngayon, dahil lilibre ako ni Pablo sa pagkain, ngayong araw naman, makakarinig kayo ng libreng mga tugtugin dito sa
Guys,
aming listening party.
Grabe naman
Tama ba
sumegue,
yan?
no?
Tama.
Grabing segue naman yun.
Libreng tugtugin para sa mga libre at single na kagaya nyo.
Wow.
Perfect.
Libreng tugtugin para sa 18.
Ah, 8-10?
8.
Parang
Para sa
mamali ka
8-10.
ng lyrics sa una, masama na yung 8-10.
8.
Alright. Siyempre, ito nga, gaya nga sinabi ni Estel, it's the first ever Spotify listening party
Yes.
for a
Yes.
Filipino group. So
First
maraming
Filipino.
salamat for
Yes,
this.
thank you
Ang unang Pinoy.
Spotify for doing this for us. Well,
Yes.
Spotify in letter S.
Yes. Kaya
Hey,
naman
ay,
guys,
tinuloy
since
kasi-
nagsisimula na tayo ngayon,
Ba yan? Hindi niya tinuloy.
Ano sabi mo?
S,
P, O,
T.
Hi.
F,
Y.
Spotify.
Lakas ng mga outlets talaga nito.
Siyempre guys, gusto rin namin marinig pa yung mga reactions and thoughts nyo about this listening party. So share your thoughts and reactions using the hashtag
Grabe yun nanonood,
SB19
10,000.
SAW
Alam ko, nag-pick yan ng ano
Spotify
eh.
listening party.
19,000.
Galing,
Wow.
memorize.
naman.
Top 1 to sa class.
Secretary ka talaga dati.
Ang dami talaga
Oo.
sinasabi nito.
Pero
ni
alam niyo
Stella.
ba, nabalitaan ko, nagpa-poll daw eh.
Nagpa-poll.
Oo,
nagpa-poll.
nagpa-poll. Oo.
Ano yun?
Nagpa-poll.
Paul dancing?
Hindi, nagpa-poll sila kung ano yung pinaka-favorite nilang tracks sa EP natin.
Nagpa-poll.
Alam niyo ba kung ano ang
POLL.
ibabaw?
Ano?
Yung ego ko. Hindi, ang nangibabaw ay wala because all of the above. Dahil gusto
the
nila.
above.
Gusto nila. Pero alam mo, imposible
So, ako. Oo nga.
yun. Kasi
Ang
for
sakit.
sure, meron sa puso nyo nang
So, kung ako mamimili, ang pinaka gusto ko talaga ay yung vibe 8 ball. 8 ball. Tapos kung senti-senti, syempre time. And kung party-party, dong ka. Pero kung vibe at sa vibe, 8 ball talaga. Gustong gusto ko yung chorus nun. Ganda nung ano.
Pero,
Ganda nung drop.
syempre dahil ganyan kayo, dahil 18 kayo, ayaw nyong may nakakalamang. Gusto nyong pantay-pantay.
Drop.
Pero
Guys, pasintabi sa aking pimple. Grabe, may isang pimple ako dito.
Boys at the
Grabe.
back, baka gusto nyo magsalita. Oh, Josh, Ken, oh, ano, puro tayo.
Hindi salita si Josh eh.
Mm.
Yes, hello, days in reservation. This is Josh Cullen. How may I help you?
Wow.
Wow.
Huh?
Wow.
Pero naniniwala ba kayo na all of the above ay pantay-pantay gusto ng 18?
Hindi.
Mm.
Meron niyang
I
syempre,
mean, may
parang
sarili-sarili ng
pinaka-favorite.
preference yung tao eh.
Yes.
Let's not lie to us or to ourselves.
Kung ikaw ba
Meron talagang
tatanungin,
nangingibabaw.
pero
ha?
ikaw ka, Philip, kung tatanungin ka, ano ang para sa'yo ang pinakagusto?
Ka-Philip ang putik. Ka-Philip. Parang ano eh.
Pero ikaw ka,
DZRH
Philip,
eh.
kung tatanungin ka, ano ang para sa'yo ang pinakagusto mo sa EP na to?
Sa EP na to?
O sige, sa EP ng iba. Sa EP na to.
Lakas talaga mga nito ni Is talaga.
Time.
Gusto mo yung mga very, maganda yung melody ng kanta. Time,
Time.
quit, mga ganun.
O, ikaw naman, Josh.
Gusto ko yung
Ayun,
mga
quit
pangit yung
din.
melody na.
Hindi, alin doon. Yung Ethan Ball.
Yun na.
Ethan Ball. Gagaling ka. Gawa mo yun.
Oo.
Ano nga?
Kasi lahat naman maganda eh. So,
Ano
ba
ang nangingibabaw sa'yo, Ka Josh?
Babaw. Or baka ikaw,
ano sa akin? Time tsaka
Time din.
Luka.
O, ikaw.
Quit din.
Lahat din.
Lahat
Oo,
sa akin
It's all of the above siya.
Ibig sabihin, possible
yung
talaga.
tao, iba-iba kasi sila nakagustuhan.
Ikaw,
Tama.
Justin.
Ako, for today, gusto ko yung Shooting for the Stars.
Ay, kanina rin ginaganda ko yan.
Siguro nag-enjoy ka kayo mag-long drive, no?
Parang
Shooting for the
yung
Stars.
feeling ko kasi ngayon parang bakasyon sa school, ganun. Hindi ko alam bakit.
Bakasyon na nga ngayon.
Kaya nga baka
Baka
yung
na-enjoy mo yung
katawan ko
Parang
nakikilala
pang summer, alam mo yun, yung vibe.
baka na-enjoy mo kasi yung Shooting for the Star pakinggan kasi
Stars.
bago yung bago yung speakers ng car mo.
Wow.
Bago yung car mo pala.
Ayos na kaya?
Bago yung car, kaya yun naman.
Naisingit mo
Kasi-
pa yun. Napakauna.
Nakakatuwa lang na talagang may sarili-sarili na silang kotse, sasakyan. And deserve naman nila yun, no, guys? Sobrang yaman na ng SB, no? Hello. Mayroon ng bago?
Bago yung car, kaya yun naman.
Naisingit mo pa
Kasi-
yun. Napakauna mo talaga.
Yun naman.
Naisip niyo pa yun?
Yun.
Ako,
Ikaw.
favorite ko ngayon talaga ngayong araw, doon ka din. Kasi kada scroll ko sa TikTok, doon kayo
Doon
narinig.
ka.
Tapos kahit
Oo,
kakagising
ano
ko
siya
lang,
sa TikTok.
YouTube ko eh.
kumakaldag ako kahit kagising ko lang.
Di ba nakakolab nga natin si TJ, tinatawanan mo ako. Kasi, di ba prank natin siya na siya lang yung sasayaw.
Tapos sabihin niyo,
Huy, ano?
si Pablo nakatingin, tapos kumakaldag ko sa
Automatic.
Ako doon ka.
Kaya
ikaw.
Pero kanina
napanood ko yun eh.
pinapakinggan ko yung buong album sa kotse.
Hmm.
Ano pa rin sa akin, Dam.
Doon pa rin
Kasi,
talaga.
yun talaga yung nakakapit sa
Iba talaga.
Iba talaga yung,
Sa ugly.
It's ugly.
Kaya naman, sakto-sakto dahil na-mention mo yung
Again.
dam.
Ano?
Ayan, sakto.
Oo nga.
Dahil na-mention mo yung dam,
Ano?
Segway.
pag-usapan natin yung dam.
Ayan.
Ayun pala yun.
2 lines. 2 lines.
Update ako sa akin. Did again. Yun yung pag-usapan ko live.
Pero tungkol nga ba saan yung dam? Paano mo naisulat?
So
yung dam?
ipapaliwanagan nila.
Hindi ko rin alam eh.
Feeling ko naman isa lang eh. Yung
Hindi, pero-
pinaka doon.
Kasi parang sa course ng paggawa ng music, hindi ko siya talagang outright natapos ko agad ng isang araw. Tapos parang
So,
fragment
matagal
siya
siya.
ng mga nangyayari sa atin. Pero ultimately, lahat naman yun papunta dun sa goal natin na gusto natin. Higitan pa yung mga ginagawa natin. So, yung mga struggles and everything, parang pinaghalo-halo ko. That's why very siya, parang iba't iba, parang roller coaster pag pinapakinggan mo yun. Meron biglang ganda yung mga
Alin.
Tama, Josh?
merong
Inutusan.
Tusan pa ako.
pero parang yun yung
Pinatusan
pinaka-ultimate
ba?
feeling
Same
is
kami na sinabi.
sanay na tayo sa mga nangyayari. Alam natin na parang kapag gumaganda yung takbo, baka may
Meron
paparating na kakaiba.
Oo.
Pero
May
ultimately,
trial
manalagpas
na
natin
dadating.
yan. So, yun yung dam.
Yung grabe.
Tsaka saktong-sakto yung line sa dulo nung dami. Sa ano talaga ng tao.
Ano?
Nangumpay sa paggusto!
Uy,
Di ba yung last
kinanta.
line? Eh, lahat tayo, pagka meron tayong na-achieve, gusto natin ng bago.
Mm.
And lahat tayo ganun. Kaya naman,
Yes, grabe ang
Kaya, ano?
dambalasig na
Oo.
eksplanasyon na ating pinuno at ni Estel. Kaya naman,
dahil lahat tayo ay walang humpay sa paggusto, ito ay sure na magugustuhan nyo.
let's all listen to
Galing ah.
Dam.
Damn. Okay. So wala nga dito yung music.
Ayan.
So
Yan.
we heard that there are
But before that,
yeah.
that was down by us. By us,
Uy.
of course. Because we are SB19.
Yeah,
Yes.
so we heard that there are also listeners from different parts of the world.
Yes.
Wow.
So
Oh,
for
English.
today,
Wow.
we'll try to speak in English, so
English.
that it will be understood by many.
Alright.
Yes. Oh, wala nagsalita.
Wala
Okay.
na. Ubus na. Expired na agad.
So, yeah, our album is So. SAW.
Yeah,
So.
that's right.
Do you like it?
Ang ano talaga mag-isip ni ni Stel. Kumbaga, anong bilis ng utak din niya eh. Joker talaga eh. Our album is So.
Oh.
Bilis
So,
eh.
yeah, our album is So. SAW.
Yeah, that's
So.
right.
Tawan-tawa
You
na lang
like
si
it?
Pablo eh.
Yeah.
If you like it, so what?
So, what?
So you just heard them, and please share your thoughts using our hashtag for today. Hashtag SB19 SAW Spotify Listening Party. Yes. Again, thank you so much for joining us today, because we are the first ever local artist to have this listening party, and we are
Nice.
very honored and grateful to be doing this with Spotify Philippines. Thank you so much.
Wow.
And right now,
Let's talk about
we are going
Let's
to talk
talk
about the next song entitled Time.
Time.
So,
So Ken, you said earlier that your favorite song in the album is Time.
Yeah.
So why not share your thoughts about Time?
Thoughts
Yeah.
about time. Time is very, very relatable to a lot of people, and it really resonates with a
yes.
lot of people,
Parang
not just
nata-
in our country, not just in the Philippines,
Natatawa-tawa
but
sila no.
for sure, definitely outside the country too, because like people been through a lot of like struggles in life, so I think it's very, very relatable, and it's very heart touching, heart wrenching.
Wow,
Kind of
heart-wrenching.
Yeah.
That's why I really love that song because of the lyrics and all that.
And you
So
can
let's play that.
and you can also watch Time music video on anywhere. You can watch the music video anywhere you like. Just watch it and feel the song. And if you want to listen to the music, go to Spotify and listen to it. Yeah, stream it. Yeah. And because of that, we are now going to play Time.
It's
Time.
time to listen
It's
to Time.
time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
That was
panay mga
time.
kalokohan talaga itong mga to. So, Time, dalawa na. Dam, saka Time.
Good.
Yes.
Thank you
Ano
so
kaya
much.
next?
SB. Ganun kasi yung time eh. May tigil-tigil yung...
That was nice.
Hindi ko rin na-gets. Ulit nga. Si Pablo kasi pag nag-joke, minsan, cricket din eh. Hindi talaga nakakagets eh.
SB. Ganun kasi yung time eh. May tigil-tigil yung...
Yung chorus.
That was nice.
Yan yung magsalita si Josh.
And now,
It's our Kuya's time.
Kuyas.
His moment.
the man behind the man behind Justin. Beside.
Loko-loko talaga to si Estel eh.
Kuya's time.
Yeah.
It's his moment.
The man behind
The man behind.
the man
Literal.
behind Justin. Beside.
Beside.
The man
Katabi pala.
With the next song.
Well, yes. Did you enjoy time? Your time.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow.
Because they're...
So
Grabe ka na.
basically, the next
Grabing listening party to, no? Imbis na parang sobrang serious dapat na tinatakil kung paano nagawa yung kanta, kung paano na-produce. Sila parang nagkukwentuhan lang eh, no? Parang TikTok live lang eh.
song that we will be
Kaya
playing.
yun ang maganda sa SB, no? Talagang
Well, yes, actually, yes.
very
The next song that we will
relatable.
be playing
Walang
is all
halong-
about well,
Heavy 8 ton is.
ano?
Basically, it's about like how heavy an 8-ton ball is. It's like 8,000 kilograms.
Nice. 8,000.
Okay, correct.
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
correct. So it was all about our visions and our struggles, and yeah, that's it.
Mm.
I made it with another producer. He's a famous producer, and our workflow was very seamless, and I really enjoyed making it.
Yeah.
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 Ayun lang. Ano sasabihin ko? So,
Yeah.
Yes.
Introduce the next
So,
song.
yes.
Yan na, Ethan Ball.
oh,
Why not
yes.
read some questions? I am reading a lot of
Oh, yeah.
Sob and
Oh.
Josh Cullen.
Kaya mo yan.
Hi Snowball. Yes.
Snowball.
No, not Snowball. A Tomball.
8 snow.
Kung kilala niyo si Snowball, ewan ko sa ano ba yun? Pet Life ba yun? Basta movie yun ng ano movie yun ng hindi ko, Pixar ata. Basta animated movie siya. So, kamukha daw siya ni Snowball. Ito, pa-flash ko yung yung picture. O yan, di ba? Ewan ko ba sa mga 18, ang daming alam.
8 Snow Tomball. Alright, so without further ado.
Without further ado. And a
Pare,
three.
mga kalokohan lang talaga to mga
Let's
to.
all listen to A Tomball.
Let's go. Paano yung mga kalokohan lang? Yung mga idol natin.
So,
Ngalay na ngalay.
Alright.
yeah, and that was
Aton
Aton
Ball.
Ball.
Like
on the ground.
Yes, swerve.
Na-enjoy nyo ba yun, guys, yung Aton Ball? If na-enjoy nyo,
they enjoy that.
mag-send kayo ng mga emoji ng balls.
Like swerving as well.
Di ba emoji yung basketball?
Emoji ng balls sa
Ayun,
bote.
meron sila.
Oh my God, you guys.
Billiard na ball, yung black.
Ayan, ayan, tignan mo natin sa emoji ng balls.
Yan, number 8.
Ayan, I really enjoy the song.
Billiard ball.
Swerve dyan kasi swerve kayo ng swerve.
Yeah.
Yes. Right now we have 15,500 listeners. So
Nice.
For
Ang
sure,
dami na.
yes, for the newcomers. You wait lang.
Naalala ko.
Okay, for the newcomers, you can share your thoughts dito sa ating listening party by using the hashtag SB19 SAW Spotify Listening Party.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
Excited na ako na ma-perform natin yung mga songs natin sa concert.
Inisip ko nga
Wanna
18
know
ball
why?
Ang ganda
Kasi
ng
yung setup
step
ng
nun.
stage natin merong mosh pit. So
Yeah.
talagang magsisigawan, tatalunan
Nice.
at magsasayawan
Mas
tayo
mosh pit.
dito. Can you imagine?
Ganun ako sa stage, so, hey, back up.
I think my long time dream will happen in this concert.
Yung gusto mo
Ano yan?
Stage dive.
stage dive.
Uy,
Sana
mag-stage
walang tao
dive.
sa-
Pero sa barricade, bagsak mo.
That's fine.
Okay na sa'yo. Imagine yung choreos ng mga songs na to. Naku, imagine
Loko talaga si Stella sa barricade na pambagsak mo, hindi sa tao.
nyo lang. Kasi wala pa eh. Imagine nyo lang.
Ano?
Before the...
Mag-aaral kami ng choreo, mismong concert. Before we step on the stage, we will learn the dance. But yeah, for the next song, ako excited ako dito sa song na to. You wanna know why?
You tell me.
Because,
You tell me.
you wanna know why?
Yes. Why? Tell
Why?
me. Tell me.
Why you wanna know? Hindi kasi,
Guys, alam nila yung trending ngayon sa TikTok, yung lady driver. You tell me. Wala, alam talaga nila lahat.
excited ako dito sa song na to. You wanna know why?
You tell me.
Because,
You tell me.
you wanna know why?
Alam
Yeah,
ng
why?
si Josh nga
Why?
yung simula.
Why you wanna know?
Alam ng Josh ang lahat.
Hindi kasi itong song na to is something that's new for us. Different genre for SB19, and
Ano
I
yan?
think
Wait.
a lot of our casual listeners also looking forward on us doing this kind of genre. Yeah, so
Wow.
that's why we are here with the creator, with the writer
Yes.
Wow.
of this particular song entitled Donka. No, entitled Quit.
Quit.
So I'm very excited to ask some questions. Ken, can you say something about the song?
I already explained time. I think it's Justin.
So what's the main reason? Yes.
Never quit.
Oh yeah.
Never quit.
Short but
Never say never.
yeah, short but never,
Never
say,
say
never.
never.
Tama yan eh. Di ba meron tayong period?
Yes, quit.
Yes.
Na-joke na
Quit
yan.
naman.
That's
Ano ba yun?
why-
Visit ka talaga.
Ayan.
Meron na daw tayong period. So, kama naman yung quit. Quit, kama. Sobrang lala ng mga to.
Yes, quit.
Yes.
Na-joke na
Quit
yan.
naman.
That's
Ano ba yun?
why-
Visit ka talaga.
Ayan.
Yes, but you
As-
know what
yeah.
quit means?
Yeah, what?
It says that we are all equal.
So?
Quit.
Quits.
Ay, nako. Mga loko-loko talaga to. So, lahat equal daw kasi quits lang. Wala,
So,
wala nang lunas tong mga to. Ganito na talaga to. Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
ikaw talaga, Justin, ang quit mo talaga. Anyways,
Ang
Alright.
we're
quit.
excited for you guys to hear this song and to our 16,000 listeners right
Wow,
now.
16,000.
Again, thank you so much for joining us today. But before anything else, please do enjoy this song entitled Quit.
Quit.
Don't quit.
I have to finish writing this paper. I'm swamped.
Just get Grammarly. It's free.
Can it help?
Nakakatawa rin makinig ng ganito no. So lahat lang ng mga usapan nila, spill nila. Hindi kasama yung pinakakanta kasi kung kasama yun baka almost 1 hour to. So tuloy natin guys. So mga spill lang pala ang nandito kasi 28 minutes lang 49 seconds. So tuloy na natin to guys. Let's go.
And that was Quit.
And that was
Quit.
Quit.
us.
Us.
Because we are
SB19.
SB19. Wow. And
Ay,
we are
no.
back again,
Lakas ng mga
guys.
tama.
Because we never left.
So, this is our first time doing a rock song.
Yeah.
Ah.
Bakit nga ba?
I don't know.
Because ever since
Bakit nga ba?
we're doing
Tell me.
paper
You tell
songs.
Kasi nga baka siguro.
Bakit
baka
nga ba?
Napapanahon lang.
paper, scissors.
Baka napapanahon lang.
Yes.
But
Rock,
it
paper,
was a good
scissors.
first try.
Yeah.
Pero ang ganda nga ng quit.
Oh.
Ganda rin ng quit.
Yun na yun.
Yes.
Okay.
Sana guys, no, sa pinaka-concert, ang mangyari sa quit nakabanda sila, no. So may nagda-drums, may nagigitara kasi nagpa-piano, so organ, piano. So kaya-kaya naman din ni yan, ni Josh. Alam ko nagpiano siya nung dati yung Final Fantasy. Tapos ang hula ko lang if ever na ganun ang mangyari, si Pablo ay gitara, lead guitar si Ken, drummer si Stel, piano, organ si Josh. Tapos ang tawag doon? Si Justin pwedeng percussion or gitara din. So sana talaga sobrang astig nun guys kung nakabanda sila parang parang mga Linkin Park, One Ok Rock, mga ganun.
Now, for the next song, why not talk about it, Pablo?
Hindi, siya sa Dungka.
Okay. So who's gonna talk?
Shooting.
Ikaw
Shooting.
na ganun.
I think, let the 18 talk. Sige,
Okay.
kayo mag-express. Hindi,
For the stars.
for the next song, Shooting for the Stars.
Shooting for
Siguro,
the star.
quick trivia lang. This song was supposed to be in Pagtatag
Oh?
because it was like showed to us by August beforehand.
Okay.
Ito yung kasabay
Yeah.
ng...
So I was
So ito pala si Shooting from the Stars. Kasabay, so dapat supposed to be marirelease siya kasama ng Gento ng mga I Want You. And kasi sulat to ni August Rigo. I mean, produce and
August
Compose
beforehand.
ito yung kasabay
Yeah.
ng...
So I was thinking if this will go sa Pagtatag.
Tsaka August na sinuwi, no?
Yeah, but I thought Freedom was
Mm.
the better choice.
Pero feeling ko nga
during
mas
that
okay yung
time.
Freedom.
So yun lang.
But,
Kasi yung kasagsagan ng nila yun yung pag-alis nila sa sa dati nilang kumpanya and pag-gain ng ownership ng pangalan. So talagang akmang-akma yung Freedom dun sa era na yun.
nagma-match din yung mga songs talaga. Parang per
Kaya,
per
galing.
era, per EP, meron silang
May
anong
ibig
tawag
sabihin?
doon? Meron silang
Connection?
Counterpart.
counterpart
Yeah.
Counterpart.
each EP. So parang ito nga ay talagang super match.
But when I first listened to this song, even though it has a very vibrant vibe, it made me cry. Somehow it felt like yung era natin nung Go Up. The same
Pwede.
vibe.
Ganda kasi
about
ng ganda ng
dreams.
lyrics.
And also yung bridge part where we go silent tapos very solemn yung pagkanta. It wasn't supposed to be that way, right?
We change it.
We changed it
Oh?
to
Change nila?
somewhat like an intimate
Ganun ba?
take.
technique
Yeah.
yun.
Yung kay Ken.
Ayun
Ang
lang.
ganda nga nung part na
Kinento
no,
ko.
yung kay Ken.
Yeah, but
Maganda kang
yeah, we hope na whenever you listen to Shooting for the Stars, always remember na everyone will have their special moment and their
Nice.
perfect timing, and you
Amen.
will also shoot for your star.
Yes.
So, yeah, i-shoot nyo lang ng i-shoot. Yeah. So, this song is
Walang na-shoot.
Shooting for the Stars. Shoot mo ang ball. Let's go.
Wala talaga. Hindi ka maboboard no pag napapakinggan mo sila.
Yes.
And
Na,
that
tapos na.
was
Shooting for the stars.
Shooting for
Amen.
the stars pala.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kala mo ibang amen, no?
Parang
Amen, yeah. That was Shooting for the Stars.
Yes. That was it.
Ganda rin,
Like it.
Grabe, no? Napaka-inspiring, no?
technically,
Na-inspire ako.
lahat
Parang
naman
gusto ko
talaga
na mag-is
maganda.
nga ngayon, eh.
Walang
Gusto ko na
tapon.
gawin yung ano ko, mga
It's more of kung ano na lang talaga yung
Anyways.
na-feel mo
Hirap
or
magsalita eh,
favorite mo.
kasi-
Again, hello to our 17,891 listeners.
Lapit na
Grabe.
tayo sa 18,000 for 18.
Di ba sabi mo 810?
810.
Yeah, padagdag tayo ng padagdag. Malapit na tayo sa ating 810,000.
Yes, 8 Wow.
Yeah. Kakatuwa naman. This is our first time doing this and parang we are very hype up and excited lalo sa mga mangyayari sa mga susunod na araw and of course sa aming simula at bukas kick off. Grabe. Super excited.
Pero bago yan, of course, for our newcomers, you can share your thoughts using the hashtag SB19SAW Spotify Listening Party. So we can
Let's
read
go.
it sa ibang platforms.
Ay, sabi nga, trending daw number 1. Tama ba? Trending number 1?
Nice.
Busy siya, pero yes. Oo. Yes. Yeah.
And now we're down to our 6th song. It's called Dungka.
Ooh.
Dungka.
What does that mean? You tell me.
Yeah, dongka just means that you're poop.
Ay, hindi. Pero kasi di ba yung the word dung?
Dung.
I think in I don't know in English other language it means
Yeah.
no
Yeah.
anyway
But yeah.
so for the 6th song syempre we wouldn't
Ganda niyan.
finish
Ganda
the
na MV.
whole EP without a party
Guys,
song.
kung di niyo pa napapanood yung reaction ko dun sa music video, panoorin niyo na. And medyo madaming nanood. Siguro natawa sila sa ano ko. Kasi guys, yun nga yung sabi ko. Syempre, pag nag-react yung foreign reactors doon, magagandahan sila doon sa sa music itself and sa music video. Pero hindi nila ganoon magegets yung mga antics ng Filipino culture or yung mga details. Saka yung mga cameo ng mga influencers at mga ibang artists. So talagang for me, mas mararamdaman niyo yung mas mararamdaman niyo yung yung reaction ng isang Filipino reactor kasi talagang ko-connect sa kanya or sa amin. Kasi syempre alam natin kung ano yung mga pinapakita doon.
Yes.
Panoorin nyo guys, meron naman.
So for this last track, it's a party track.
Let's
Just
go.
a quick story. We made 4 demos. Me and my brother made 4 demos, but this track was the only one na nag-caught ng attention namin. So we were thinking about something very naughty and like kind of like an earworm.
Earworm?
That,
Wow.
that you will like keep hearing when you first heard the song. So ayun po yung
Ang
naging parang
nakaka-LSS.
Paano ba? Naging dahilan kung bakit Dungka yung track na yun or yung beat na yun yung napili ko na pang 6th track. The song is basically about
haters.
About
pag hindi nyo gusto sila.
doing what you want.
Yeah.
And telling people if you don't like us, then go away.
No, go away.
Just like Dora.
Dora?
Swiper, no swiping.
Yeah.
Yes.
Swiper, no swiping. Putik.
Swiper, no swiping.
Yeah.
Yes. So Pablo said it's something naughty, so it might be a coffee.
Birada
naughty.
rin yan
Coffee, not
Tung 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 sahur.
cappuccino,
Cappuccino ballerina. Anyways, yeah.
Yes.
So the next song is Dunka, but before we play the song, again, thank you so much for joining us. We are now, we have 18,198 Spotify
Wow,
Premium
18,000 na.
account listeners. Thank you so much for joining us today. But yeah, again, we are very excited to see you guys on our upcoming kick-off concert in the biggest indoor arena in the world, Philippine Arena. Yeah.
Nice. Let's
But
go.
yeah,
It's on.
So guys, sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood or wala pang ticket para sa day 2, bumili na kayo guys. Sobrang worth it nun. And kung nasa Pinas lang ako, bibili ako ng sure ako. And sobrang ano yun. Once in a lifetime yun kasi lagi nilang sinasabi na magiging iba yung set design or nung pinaka-arena mismo yung loob. So feeling ko meron silang mga props doon na parang magmumukha talagang nasa mundo kayo ng simula at wakas era. So,
that will
bili
be
na,
on
guys.
May 31 and the day 2 on June 1. If you
June
have
1, let's
time,
go.
please do buy tickets for the day 2 concert. It's still available. Just search for official SB19 or SB19 official. But yeah, this is We Give You Dunka. Let's go.
Dongka.
Wow!
Yan na. Tapos na.
was
Uy, 18,000.
Doon ka na dun. Huy!
Yes. And syempre,
Ano?
So,
Ano
you
na?
just...
dahil
Ano?
What are you going to say?
Oh, may nag-request o acapella daw. Oh.
Stop it.
Hindi, sinabi ko lang.
stop
Wala
it.
sa atin naman kung gagawin natin eh. Pero no. Sorry guys.
Bakit kaya?
Ayaw nila.
So, you
ayaw
just
nila.
listen to the whole Simula at Wakas EP by SB19.
Yay!
I hope you guys enjoyed the whole experience. And please use the hashtag
SB19 SAW Spotify Listening Party. Thank you so much.
So after listening to the album, maybe your thoughts will be different now. Because when we first started, they said that in the poll, they all
Like the songs.
like the songs, all of the above.
Yeah, it's
So now comment the song that you really like from the EP Simula at Wakas.
But if you like it all, there's no problem. But if you have like favorite one,
All of the above pa rin.
So ako, 8
Meron quit, meron time, meron dungka.
Saka
meron-
quit.
oh yeah.
Pala.
yes.
And of
Ganda.
course, for those who haven't availed our concert
Yes.
for day 2,
Bumili kayo guys.
it's still available.
Sobrang worth it yan.
Yes. Yun nga.
Go.
We have our concert Simula at Wakas World Tour kick-off on May 31 and June
Malapit na ba
1.
matapos?
Yung June 1 po is
Malapit
still
na.
available.
Yes.
Kaya
you
guys,
can
bili na guys.
visit our social media accounts for more details. But if you are lucky enough, watch out for the giveaway from Spotify.
Something special to
Ano
look
kaya yun?
forward to.
Yes, grabe.
May
I'm so
giveaway?
excited din kasi grabe nung pinakita to tas pinreset, grabe kinilig talaga.
Oh yeah.
Iba si
May
Spotify.
pag-giveaway.
May pag-giveaway. So yun yung dapat yung abangan.
At hindi lang yun.
Alam niyo gusto ko na magsalita eh, parang tigilan niyo ako.
Kasi may malupit pang kailangang abangan na pasurpresa si Spotify.
Nice. Ano
Na
kaya yun?
very exclusive
Wow.
dito sa Spotify.
Yan ang
Let's go.
sinasabi ko
Ito
sa iyo.
yung talagang
Ano kaya yun?
hindi ko alam eh.
Huwag mo na sabihin, Justin. Maawa ka, please.
Ano sabi Pablo? Anong lasa? Hindi ko alam eh.
They speak English. There's a lot of like people from other universes watching.
Yes.
Listening.
So, yeah, stay tuned for another experience from Spotify.
Yeah.
This
Ano kaya
coming
yun?
May 23.
May 23.
A surprise.
Wow.
So,
Do you have
Ano
any
kaya
idea
yun?
what's that?
I have. Well, I don't wanna share.
I think it's something
I don't wanna miss a thing.
very
Juicy now.
interactive.
They said spill the tea.
No, we don't.
TEA.
Spill the tea.
Yes, you just spelled the T.
Yes.
Spill the tea. So, in-spell nga yung T po. TEA daw. Loko-loko talaga to mga to. Kailangan ng lunas.
They said spill the tea.
No, we don't.
TEA.
Spill the tea.
Yes, you just
Yeah.
spelled the T.
Spell the T.
That's really
But you
great.
have to. What you have to say it first? Spell T. T. T-E-A. T.
Yeah, amazing.
yes.
Life-changing.
Amazing.
Wow.
Life
So save the
changing.
dates, May 23. And of course, we just want to reiterate, June 1, the second day of our concert is still available. Please
Yes, guys, Paul ulit.
watch the show.
Panoorin nyo,
Yes.
guys.
Again, thank you
Bilhin nyo,
so
guys.
much everyone for joining us today. We have 19,116 listeners right
Wow.
now. Again, thank you so much for listening with us today. We really enjoyed our time with you guys, and we hope that you really enjoyed our EP. And please do share our music with your friends, families, and your loved ones.
Nice.
Yes.
If you liked what you listened to, watch us in our concert.
Yes, because we will be
Yeah, we're very
performing everything for the first
Iba kasi yung
time.
live,
Of course,
guys.
there's no better experience than experiencing the music live.
And we're very
Yes,
excited
boy.
to show everything, especially the choreographies of each song.
The visuals,
The
the
visuals.
stage,
The production.
You know,
and
the
everything
stage.
is really-
surprises,
Pili
it's
ko,
giving
ano talaga yun?
special
Bigatin yun,
performances
guys.
by SB19.
Special people.
Yeah. So
Yes.
that's it, guys, for today.
Yes,
Again, thank you so much.
For
And
tuning in.
we hope you enjoyed your time with
Sobra.
us. And we hope to see you again next time. And again, thank you, Spotify, for doing
Yep.
this with
Let's
us.
go.
Thank you so much.
Spotify,
And
para dito.
yeah, have a great day, everyone. Thank you. We love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Again.
Spotify listening party.
Yeah, thank
Bye.
you.
Let's go.
Thank you, everyone. We
Thank
love
you so
you.
much. Love you all.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Tralalu, tralalu.
So, ayan guys, anong masasabi niyo doon? So, sobrang chaotic, wala. Ano na, mula umpisa. Nung bago pa lang sila hanggang ngayong sobrang sikat na, ganun pa rin sila guys. Walang pinagbago. Sobrang ang gugulo. Sarap kasama, sarap kakwentuhan. So, tawan-tawa ako dun sa spell dati, saka swiper nung swiping. Mga naiisip talaga. Sa akin capsicum. Diyos ko, puro de. So, ayun guys. Pa-like na lang and pa-comment kung ano masasabi nyo dito. And kung nakapasok ba kayo sa room. Kung nakapasok kayo sa room, sana all. And tingin ko naman, maririnig yata rin ng iba. Oh, narinig naman. Sabi ko nga, hindi ko lang talaga napakinggan ng buo kasi busy akong pumasok-pasok, refresh. So, tumitigil kasi pag pag pumapasok ka dun sa room, nagtatry kang pumasok, tumitigil yung sound. So, kaya napuputol siya. So, ayun guys. Pa-subscribe na lang po sa mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe. Yun lang po hanggang sa mali. Paalam. Bye.